Do you know there is a fruit in the world that's known as the king of fruits? A fruit that some people absolutely adore, while others are hesitant to even go near because of its strong aroma. Yes, I'm talking about durian, and today, we're embarking on a journey to discover how Asian farmers harvest 58 million tons of durian every year, an astonishing number. Durian isn't just a fruit, it's a cultural symbol in Asian agriculture. You might have heard of famous varieties like Malaysia's Musang King, Thailand's Monthong, or the well-loved Ri 6 from Vietnam. Each type of durian has a unique, distinct flavor, yet they all share one thing in common: they're grown, cared for, and harvested with the utmost dedication of farmers. What makes durian so appealing, earning it the title of King of Fruits? First, we must understand the meticulous care farmers dedicate to its cultivation. From the time they are young saplings, durian trees require patient care, with each stage of growth carefully monitored. Farmers water the trees in the early morning while dew still clings to the leaves, add fertilizers, and diligently protect them from pests. Every stage of a durian tree's growth is an art in itself. When the tree finally matures, small, delicate clusters of flowers start to appear. At this stage, farmers focus on pollination to ensure the tree produces plentiful, quality fruit. Now, when it comes to harvesting durians, farmers need to catch that golden moment, that precise time when the durian is perfectly ripe but hasn't yet fallen. To determine the exact timing, many farmers simply use their ears. They gently tap on the durian's shell and listen to the echo. If they hear a deep, resonant sound, it's the signal that the fruit is ready for picking. Harvesting techniques also vary depending on the region. In mountainous areas, farmers have created long poles to pull down and catch the durians before they drop. Some large plantations use advanced technology, from drones to monitor trees to specialized equipment that helps pick durians swiftly. Each durian collected represents the hard work and dedication of the farmers. Harvested, farmers immediately start preservation methods to keep it fresh. Because durians ripen very quickly, post-harvest handling is crucial. The best durians are carefully processed and packaged right in the field, then swiftly transferred into refrigerated trucks to preserve quality during transportation. These premium durians are not only sold domestically but also reach international markets. Their journey to countries like Japan, China, and South Korea is no small feat, as they undergo rigorous quality checks. This is not just an economic venture, it's a matter of pride when Asian durians conquer the global market. Did you know, there are not only the standard harvesting methods, but in some areas, farmers use unique techniques to harvest durians. In certain mountainous farms in Thailand, farmers use a network of nets around trees so that when ripe durians fall, they're caught gently without hitting the ground. In other places, they've even devised a way to harvest durians using helicopters, lowering the fruit down from high trees without damaging the shell. Another fascinating method is harvesting durians at night. This takes advantage of cooler weather and minimizes risks from high daytime temperatures. To harvest durians in the best way possible, farmers have been endlessly creative, experimenting with methods to find the optimal techniques. And behind each plump durian is the story of Asian farmers who have devoted their lives to this risky, challenging profession. Each farmer has their own story of countless days spent tending to rows of durian trees, and the times they faced the very real threat of losing everything to weather or disease. But it is their passion and perseverance that drive them through these hardships. For them, each harvest season is a gamble, but also a time to reap the rewards of their dedication. The durians are not just the fruit of their labor, but the pride and courage of these farmers. Looking toward the future, the durian industry in Asia is growing and innovating every day. New technologies are being applied to everything from care to harvesting and preservation, increasing productivity and quality. This not only opens up new opportunities for farmers, but also helps durians become a cultural and economic symbol of Asia. In the coming years, we can surely expect even greater achievements, bountiful harvests, and the journey of Asian durians conquering more global markets.